A very good day to Miss Sylvia and friends. Today our group will be presenting on our topic, which is maintenance management system, integrating IoT and computerized maintenance management system (CMMS) for real-time monitoring and predictive maintenance. Before I begin my introduction, I would like to introduce myself. First of all, my name is Deronis and attorney. Okay. For the introduction, what is IoT and CMMS? Well, in today's factories and today, it is very important to keep machines working well and make sure everything runs smoothly. Always of fixing machine only when they break or checking them at a set of time they can when they cause problems. Machines may stop working suddenly and this can waste time and money. So what is IoT and CMMS? Well, this is a new technology that helps solve these problems, which is the machines that break down. So the Internet of Things or IoT uses sensors to collect information from machines all the time. At the same time, a computerized maintenance management system or CMMS is a computer program that keeps track of all the machines and the work needed sorry, work needed to fix or check them. So how do they work? Well, when IoT and CMS are combined, they help workers know the condition of machines in real time. This means they can find problems early and fix them before the machines break. This saves money, makes machines last longer, and keeps people safe. Next is the background of study. For the first one, which is traditional maintenance challenges. Usually, maintenance means fixing machines either on a set schedule or only when they break. But this way of doing things can cause problems. Fixing machines on a schedule might mean working on them if they don't not really need it, which wastes time and money. Waiting until a machine breaks can cause sudden problems. When machine break without warning, it can stop work, causes delays, and make a cost a lot to fix. This unexpected downtime makes things harder for the whole business. For the benefits of IoT and CMS integration, by using IoT and CMMS together, we can know when machines need fixing before they actually break. This is called predictive maintenance. It helps stop machines from breaking down suddenly so they keep working longer without stopping. Another big advantage is real-time monitoring. Sensors send information all the time so managers can quickly see if something is wrong or unsafe. This helps keep the workplace safe and make sure the facility follows all the rules. The system also helps with managing spare parts. It keeps track of what parts are needed and when, so the right parts are ready when maintenance is needed. This stops delays from missing parts and avoids having too many extra parts. All these benefits can make the whole facility run better. Machines become more reliable, maintenance costs are lesser, and everything works more smoothly and efficiently.
So next I will be presenting the literature review. So the first one is what is maintenance management. Maintenance management involves in all activities that determine the needs, goals, plans, and tasks for maintaining equipment and facilities. It includes planning, controlling, and improving maintenance operations to ensure assets are reliable and meet production and quality goals. Uh, the main objective is to reduce the idle labor, optimize the use of labors, supplies, and machinery, and keep assets running efficiently. So next is the traditional maintenance method. So it has two methods, which is the reactive maintenance, where it fixes equipment only after it breaks down. This can lead to the unexpected downtime and higher repair costs. and this method also only restore equipment after a failure, which causing the production delay. So the second method is the preventive maintenance, which perform maintenance on a set schedule, time or usage base. This method is to aim to prevent breakdowns before they happen, and these methods can result in unnecessary maintenance and higher costs due to fixed schedules, even if equipment doesn't need repairs yet. So next is, what is a computerized maintenance management system, or the short form is CMMS. CMMS is a software that helps to manage maintenance tasks, work orders, assets, inventory, and scheduling. Stores it stores technical, financial, and historical data about the equipment and facilities. It automated work order generation, tracks equipment condition, and alerts technician when maintenance is needed. And CMMS also supports preventive maintenance, assets management, and inventory control. Next is why CMMS is important. So, this system helps organizations plan and track maintenance efficiently. And this system helps to reduce downtime and unexpected failures by scheduling and recording maintenance activity. This system also is essential for the achieving of Industry 4.0 standards, where digital skills and technology are crucial for daily operations. So next is Internet of Things, also known as IoT. IoT refers to the connecting everyday object and equipment to the internet so they can collect and share data. IoT devices such as sensor, RFID tags gather real-time data from equipment, improving safety, productivity, and early detections of problems. The next one is IoT technology used in maintenance. The first technology is the sensor technology. Sensor collect data like temperature, vibration, or speed from equipment to monitor its condition in real time. The second technology is RFID security, radio frequency identification tags, which this system helps to track equipment and ensure secure communication and data management. So next is integrating IoT with CMMS. So IoT sensors send real-time data directly to the CMMS, allowing automatic updates on equipment health and performance. And it also enables predictive maintenance. The system can warn when equipment is likely to fail, so repair can be planned before breakdowns happens. There are two common data acquisition methods. The first one is the wired. Sensors are physically connected to the data collection unit for accurate real-time monitoring. The second one is the wireless, where use wireless sensors for flexible, high-frequency data collection, especially in hard-to-reach places. Next is the benefits of IoT plus CMMS integration. Real-time monitoring and faster response to equipment issues. The second one is the predictive maintenance reduces downtime and unexpected failures. The third one is the data-driven decision, improve maintenance planning and resource allocation. Next is the cost savings by avoiding unnecessary maintenance and extending asset life. The last one is the to move organization from reactive to proactive maintenance
Hello, I'll
strategies.
tell you the challenges faced when integrating IoT and CMMS in facility management. I'll be focusing on case studies from government hospitals in Malaysia and an industrial company in Trinidad and Tobago. The first case study is from government hospitals in Malaysia. The research by Nadia 2021 highlights five major challenges in CMMS integration: transitioning from separate systems, data compatibility issues, lack of user training, cybersecurity threats, and poor staff engagement during the change. 2015, every hospital had its own system. When ASIS was introduced, everyone had to adapt. It was difficult because each organization had its own way to doing things. The main takeaway is that major system changes need to be managed slowly and carefully. One issue was technical data didn't match. Workflows were different, and users had to relearn habits. This shows that you can't ignore system compatibility when changing software. Everything must be planned early to avoid confusion and errors. Technology won't work if people don't know how to use it. In this case, poor staff training led to bad service instead of improvements. The big lessons in that human skills and training matter just as much as the system itself. Security. Moving hospital data to the cloud made staff worried about safety. It's a valid concern. Security must be a priority whenever digital systems are involved, especially in healthcare where data is very sensitive. Lastly, the hospitals had low staff engagement. Only 39 out of 150 responded to a CMMS survey. This means feedbacks was limited and problems couldn't be fixed properly. For any system to improve, user feedback is essential. The second case study is from an industrial company in Trinidad and Tobago. It's also faced serious challenges in using CMMS effectively. Problems included underused system, outdated maintenance strategies, poor standard compliance, and no improvements in performance or reporting. CMMS was installed at IOTT. They didn't use all the features. Important parts like planning or inventory were ignored. This limits the system's potential. To get real results, all modules must be activated and properly used. They also didn't use modern strategies like TPM or RCM. These are essential for predictive maintenance, so even with good technology, the results were poor because the approach itself was old-fashioned and ineffective. It didn't comply with ISO 40001, a key standard in facilities management. This shows that just using CMMS isn't enough. Organization must also follow proper international guidelines to ensure efficiency and high quality. CMMS, the company saw no improvement in equipment effectiveness. This proves that technology alone isn't enough. Good planning, staff involvement, and process change are also needed to serial improvement. Finally, the CMMS wasn't configured to generate useful reports or track performance. Without data, the managers couldn't measure progress or fix issues. A big lesson here is that a CMMS must support decision making through proper data and KPIs. CMMS and IoT integration can really improve facility management, but only if it's done right. That means combining good technology with training, strong strategy, secure systems, and active engagement. Without those, the system won't deliver its full benefits.
I'll be talking about students' analysis and recommendation for improving how companies use IoT and CMMS system. First, the cost can be very high. Buying sensors and software can be too expensive, especially for small companies. The second one are not all workers understand how to use the new technology. This can lead to mistakes or the need for extra training. Third, the system sometimes send too many alerts, even for small issues. This might cause workers to ignore the warnings, which is dangerous if there's a serious problem. To solve this problem, we have some recommendation. One, company should provide easy training using video or step-by-step guides so workers can learn quickly. Two, they should start small by adding sensor only to the most important machines. This helps save money and make it easier to get used to the system. The third one are the system settings should be changed so it only send alerts for serious issues. That's why worker will know when to take actions. Fourth, the companies should look for cheaper sensor that still work well to reduce costs. And five, and it's important to keep the system updated. Updated can fix bugs, add new features, and keep everything secure. In conclusion, with the right step, companies can use IoT and CMMS more effectively, avoid machine breakdowns, and save time and money.